have guts to get rid of disgust. तो आज हम ऐसे इमोशन की बात करेंगे जो शायद हम आमतौर से नहीं बात करते या हम उसे अवॉइड करते हैं. हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ डिस्गस्ट की. वो ऐसी फीलिंग जब हम किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं और कहते हैं यक, और पहला इंप्रेशन होता है उफ नहीं, ये नहीं, या हमें एक ऐसी रिपल्शन की फीलिंग आती है या एक ऐसी फीलिंग आती है जैसे कोई स्किन पे क्रॉलिंग हो रही हो जब हम किसी को देखते हैं या सुनते हैं, या हम उस चीज़ के उसको देख भी नहीं सकते हैं. ये जो इमोशन है जो हम आम तौर पे शायद कहीं पर भूल जाते हैं, उसके बारे में आज दीपिका के साथ इसकी बातचीत. डिसलाइक, disgust, the feeling of repulsion. So Deepika, let's talk about this less talked about emotion, disgust. What do you think about it?
First of all, I would love to say that the way you said, let's talk about this less talked about emotion. So it was really nice. I'm sure everybody feels disgusted with something or the other in your everyday life. But how much do you talk about it? How much you voice your opinions about it? How much you feel that voicing up for disgust is something very natural that comes to you. We may feel it, but we may not voice it. And we will discuss how voicing really helps you out.
Yeah, and how voicing and how to recognize that you do not like few things. And something like शायद हमारा ये जो प्रॉब्लम आई है दीपिका, वो हमारे एक कल्चरल थिंकिंग की है कि हम जो चीज़ पसंद नहीं करते उसको हम खुल के नहीं बोलते, और शायद नज़रों ही नज़रों में बता देते हैं कि हमें क्या चीज़ पसंद नहीं है, उससे अपना मुंह मोड़ लेते हैं और उसको अवॉइड कर लेते हैं, लेकिन हम खुल के उसका सामना नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो जैसे जब हम किसी चीज़ को नापसंद करते हैं तो शायद उसमें एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट फीलिंग आती है एनवी एंड जेलसी की, राइट?
Definitely.
कि
your dislikes define you as much as your likes. We've always, thought in our life that what we like strengthens us. अपनी positivity, अपनी likings को हम यहाँ रखते हैं ताकि हम वो बन सकें. Mind you, even what you hate makes you somewhere because it tells you what you don't need. But when you think of hatred too much, you eventually become what you hate. So watch out.
बहुत ही खूबसूरती से आपने एक चीज़ बोली. जब हम कहते एक बार है तो उसके सबसे नीचे अगर उस बार के हम हेट्रेड रखते हैं तो उससे सबसे ऊपर में हम ट्रू लव रखते हैं. तो वो ऐसे ऑपोजिट नहीं है, उसका एक्सट्रीम इधर से उधर है. आप जब आप हेट्रेड से, डिसलाइक से धीरे धीरे आप ऊपर बढ़ते हैं तो यू मूव टूवर्ड्स द ट्रू लव. एंड दे होल्ड equal weightage.
Right.
The two extremes here. That's what polar. It's like to North Pole to South Pole. So that's where the hatred and true love comes, in that same pole.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
So when we talk about envy and jealousy, like just Vibha stated, are the two emotions that stem out of disgust. So let's see, what is envy and what is jealousy?
दीपिका, जब हम डिसलाइक की बात करते हैं तो एक बहुत ही कॉमन से फीलिंग्स हैं एनवी एंड जेलसी. जो मुझे समझ आता है एनवी वो है जब हम किसी मेंटोर को देखें, किसी को जो एक सक्सेस के पैगाम तक पहुंच चुका है और तुम्हें कहते हो कि मुझे भी ऐसा बनना है एक दिन. इट्स अ पॉजिटिव फीलिंग. nothing, no negative is attached to it. It's just that yeah, someday when I would like to have that position or that thing or anything, right? And jealousy, which I feel is like comes out of insecurity. कि तुमसे वो छिन ना जाए, and you start feeling jealous about it, right? कि तुम्हें वो चाहिए जो किसी और का है. Envy में तुम वो बनना चाहते हो जो वैसा है. So it can act as a climbing up the ladder with positive, with same, hard work, discipline, or whatever you need to do to reach there.
Right.
But jealousy, it's not hard work. It's probably the feeling of coming out of low vibration in a way where you feel, why does he have it? why does this person have it, you know?
Yes.
Or insecurity of losing mine, you know?
Both
Something
ways,
like that.
both ways. See, if you have a mentor to look above and you feel that, oh, she's so like, we had our mentors, okay? So we still used to look up to them for their knowledge, for their beauty, the way they looked so flawlessly elegant,
Yeah.
everything.
The way they conduct themselves.
Yes, everything made us fall in love with our mentors, and we felt envious. Oh my god, I want to really dress up like her and even walk like her.
And you may follow her because
Yes.
you're so much, you know, intrigued or so much attracted to that person.
And jealousy is when you feel that, oh, I have this, somebody is trying to take it away, you feel jealous, you know, you don't want to lose it. So you become insecure of not losing what you have. So that's where jealousy stems out.
Okay. ये तो एक बहुत ही इंटेंस वाली एनवी और जेलसी की चीज़ है. और जब हम डिसलाइक की बात करते हैं, एज स्मॉल एज दैट कि कोई मुंह खोलते हुए जब खाना खाता है तो तुम्हें एक डिस्गस्ट की फीलिंग आती है ना, कि आई डोंट लाइक दैट. और किसी के कपड़े पहनने का ढंग शायद अच्छा नहीं लगता, किसी का तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि आई डोंट लाइक द वे वन, you know, behaves, and it's like you don't like it.
If somebody is overly dressed,
overly, and something which is like a show off thing, and you feel, oh, this is what I don't like, you know, usually. And that's a feeling which feels, oh, that's not me. So आजकल जो नए शब्द हैं, जब मैं youngsters से बात करती हूँ, कहते हैं this is cringe. मतलब let's not get into that. Gross. This is gross. This is cringe.
you.
That's what they do. Suddenly.
These are the sounds that evoke that emotion of disgust.
And then it's like so much of, you know, you can see it in their expressions. हमारे टाइम में शायद ऐसे बोलते नहीं थे, हम लोग याद करके छोड़ते, या हम लोग you know, like हम सिर्फ लुक से बता देते थे.
And the interesting part is when the youngsters speak, you feel it in your skin.
Exactly, that's what.
Those creepy crawlies on your skin, they make you feel that.
Yeah, definitely. This is so interesting. So the feeling of distaste, or people don't like some of the foods, and then they, I mean, कोई करेला कैसे खाता है? I mean, like, परमल कौन खाता है? You know, like it's like that. तोरी की क्या जरूरत है? So it's so hilarious at times, but
Right,
then
right.
it's the smallest of the thing when we are going through this dislike. You know, the feeling of dislike and how it goes till the repulsive. You know, that feeling of feeling repulsive. So anyways, that's interesting. And you know, when I talk about these feelings in our relationships, so ये jealousy, envy या dislike, ये हमारे बहुत common है हमारे relationships में भी.
Yes, if you look at relationships all around you, it could be colleagues, it could be co-sisters, it could be sisters-in-law, it could be brothers-in-law, right? It could be even neighborhood.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. So all these things come under, all these relationships are in the boundary of envy and disgust. Somewhere, something, you feel it. Even, and the best part is siblings. Why to miss that? Those sibling fights, those sibling rivalries, so as to say, when they stem up to grow something like envy and jealousy, this is something different then.
That is interesting. And in besides the relationships of these kinds, we see it that in our cultural, you know, upbringing, how we start aversing and hating certain kind of, or become that prejudice comes up for certain cultural sections or religion or region, and हम कितने आराम से बोल देते हैं कोई चीज़ों को कि भाई ये उस region का है ना, तो ये ज़रूर, you know, adding a characteristic to that,
right?
You know, and we, because कुछ experiences हमारे historically होते हैं और हम 2 मिनट नहीं लगाते वो चीज़ जो हमारा impression है, जो कुछ है, और उसको हम बोलते हुए और उसको हम कहते हैं, and so I don't want to deal with this person because the person is coming from different caste or religion or region or anything, you know, and a certain group, social status, and suddenly you don't want to deal with them. So that's also where the disgust comes.
Yes, because actually you're trying to exhibit that in your behavior.
Mhm.
Envy, disgust, jealousy, when you're trying to tag somebody under religion or region, you're trying to exhibit that, right? In your example. So that's how it comes.
You know, I was reading this book, निसर्गी दत्ता महाराज की आई एम दैट, और उसमें इतनी खूबसूरती से बताया कि ये जानने से पहले कि आपको क्या पसंद है, आप ये जानिए कि आपको क्या पसंद नहीं है. दैट इज ईजियर टू नो व्हाट यू डोंट लाइक.
Right.
You know, so you see that out what you don't like, and then whatever you like, then you extend and
Explore and grow
become
with
and
it.
grow with it. So वो dislike को पहले आप अलग कर लीजिए, क्योंकि वो easy है, क्योंकि आपके जिस परिवार में आप पैदा हुए हैं, जहाँ आपकी परवरिश हुई है, जहाँ आप जिस स्कूल में जा रहे हैं, जिन लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, आपके हिस्ट्री, आपके कल्चर, आपके हर चीज़, खान पान, वो आपको डिफाइन करता जाता है आपकी डिसलाइकिंग को और लाइक को. मतलब इट्स नॉट ओनली दैट फ्रेंड्स who define you, what kind of company you keep, what kind of company you avoid also define you.
Right.
You know?
Absolutely.
So everything they say कि भाई ये चीज मुझे पसंद नहीं है, and that now makes another group. You know, you form your group because man is known by the boundaries he keeps, you know, and maintain. So
Right.
that's interesting. So इसको हम किस तरह से जब हम किसी को डिसलाइक करते हैं तो हम करते क्या हैं? हम गॉसिप करते हैं, हम पीछे बिक्रिंग करते हैं,
We
हम
avoid-
दूसरे को छोटा महसूस करा देते हैं, और
We avoid.
we neglect, we ignore.
Initially तो यही होता है that you try and ignore the person, you try and not talk, you try and not engage in a conversation or a project with
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
So all these are the things that you start telling the person that
I don't like you.
you know, we are not compatible.
I don't like you anymore.
Yeah. So please maintain a distance.
Especially these things are very much visible in the corporate world. They say once they decide that कि इस colleague को या इसको worker को, हमने employee को अगर अब हटाना है, or for any reason, or work reason or any reason, and you stop giving the person work, so that the person is sitting idle. Haven't you heard that?
Right.
Anywhere. I mean, anywhere.
Especially under the COVID times, a lot of people have not been given work, and then finally, after some time, they get a notice that the company doesn't need you anymore.
So that's a way of very, you know, smartly. It's a very culturally, very nicely played up games and whatever, right? So this dislikement, I think every day it goes. It is a part of us.
Definitely.
And we do not talk about it. Or sometimes we are so open that other people may get hurt also with the ideologies, you know, certain ideologies. Now when you talk to young students, they say they don't believe in following any cult. So that they feel, no, they dislike the whole idea of following any cult, you know, because they feel that we all are free and let's have the right to express. And let's have a right to respect, right? You may not like something or a few things, but you don't have to make it so obvious. You know, it should be very beautifully weaved in or avoided, or you know, कि दूसरे को पता भी नहीं चले कि भाई हमें ये बात नहीं पसंद है. So ये बहुत खूबसूरत सी चीज़ जो अभी यंग जनरेशन में आई है, और जो dislikes हैं, okay, so on social media, on YouTube, on any of the, you know, like all these, you know, social media platforms, so beautifully when they put the dislikes, and they are open about it, that they do not like this. Sometimes it's the idea, or sometimes because this person has done and I don't want him to do it, they especially dislike it. Have you experienced this?
Yes.
They say इसको तो 2 dislike भेजने ही पड़ेंगे मुझे. So it's so hilarious how our disliking something define us, like you said.
Yes, because I've read it in so many novels that it's good to know what you like, but it's better to know what you dislike. Because if you think of your dislike, the maximum number of times you tend to have a tilt towards it. That part of you starts growing. So what do you want to grow? Focus on that.
And when we dislike something, when we are jealous, envious, repulsive, so we can play any game.
Definitely,
Yeah.
because then your jealousy and your envy leads you to a very different path. Okay?
Yeah.
It leads you to a variety of emotions, and it leads you to a variety of behavioral ways.
आप प्लॉटिंग करते हो,
बिल्कुल।
आप षड्यंत्र रचते हो, आप डिफेम कर सकते हो, आप शो ऑफ करते हो, आप ब्राइब करते हो,
Definitely.
आप बहुत कुछ करते हो जब आप टारगेट कर लेते हो किसी को या किसी चीज को कि आप उसे डिसलाइक कर रहे हैं। सो आप रेगुलर कमेंट्स या व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस भेजेंगे कि मतलब ये कन्वे हो जाए कि वी डोंट लाइक इट।
Basically, you're trying to defame, belittle, look down upon somebody
When
because
you
of
dislike.
yeah, because of your dislike towards the person. And more than dislike, it's the envy, or I would say it's the jealousy that ये हमसे ज़्यादा कामयाब ना हो जाए या ये मेरी कामयाबी ना छीन ले जो मैं डिजर्व करता हूँ, तब आप ये चीज़ें करते हैं।
ओके, ये तो एक बिहेवियर उसकी हुई, बट अगर एक बच्चा है और वो छोटा बच्चा है, इनोसेंट है, उसको ये सब नहीं पता, अभी एनवी नहीं पता, जेलसी नहीं पता, और उसे कोई चीज़ पसंद नहीं है, तो कैसे डील किया जाता है?
बेसिकली
उसको लिखना नहीं पसंद है क्लास में, वो कहता है मुझे नहीं लिखना है, हाँ मुझे लिखना अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है, तो क्या करें आप?
हम उसे लिखने के लिए नहीं कहते, we ask him to read the story. Okay, when he reads the story, that moment he'll remember. The other day when you ask him, because he's already gone to school and studied so much, he will miss out on something. So then we tell him, अगर कल लिखा होता तो याद रहता ना. So let's not write too much, but only one sentence of the moral. That's how you inspire them to write. फिर उसे लगेगा हाँ ये तो मैं भूल गया. They write one sentence, then they write one paragraph. Slowly and slowly they progress writing. And then you reinforce them with each writing.
Okay, here I want to say another thing, the feeling of dislike में 11th-12th के बच्चे मेरे से मिलते हैं और उनको वो सब्जेक्ट कई बार वो मिल जाता है जो उसके पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं और उनको नहीं पसंद होता है, तो क्या करें?
ये बहुतों के साथ होता है, and I'm sure many of them must be feeling it.
तो उस
as you're
डिसलाइकमेंट को क्या करें कि हमें ये सब्जेक्ट पसंद ही नहीं है, अब क्या करें उस सब्जेक्ट? और स्कूल्स का ऐसा अब तो शायद न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में कुछ चेंजेस आएंगे, है ना? सो लेकिन पहले हमारे टाइम में अभी तक ये हुआ कि आपको ये 5 सब्जेक्ट करने ही है, तो क्या करें? अब परसेंटेज कम आ जाएगी क्योंकि बाकी 4 वो सब्जेक्ट है, एक पसंद नहीं है, अब करे क्या एक इंसान? तो शायद इसी वजह से न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी ला रहे हैं।
वो ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है इसमें एक ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज बच्चे देखना भूल जाते हैं. At least it is teaching you to pull along your dislikes. एक सब्जेक्ट पसंद नहीं है ना, लेकिन वो सब्जेक्ट ना चाहते हुए भी तो कुछ सिखा रहा है ना.
या हम दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स पे कहते हैं अच्छा तुम उधर कंसंट्रेट कर लो, इसमें नंबर कम भी आ जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yes.
So, एक छोटी लकीर के सामने लंबी लकीर खींच दो, है ना? जो आपको लाइक है उसमें आप एनर्जी ज्यादा दे दो और इसको जितना है बस पास हो जाओ.
हाँ, so just concentrate that, take that one subject as a lesson and others as a passion. So let your passions go along with your lessons. Let's see how they mix up to give you something after grade 12.
This feeling is so interesting कि हम सब इससे we go through it in different parts of our stages. दूध पीना पसंद नहीं है किसी को और उसको आप जबरदस्ती पिलाओ, नौशिया आना शुरू हो जाता है, चक्कर आने शुरू हो जाते हैं कि हमें नहीं पसंद है, and still things go, even though body tells you that you don't want it, you don't need it and you don't like it, but because somebody thinks that this is good for you,
You drink.
and you start hating it all the more because वो स्टैम्प हो जाता है, see my body is also reacting the same way. So ये चीज़ों से ओवरकम कैसे किया जाए?
See,
क्योंकि हम हमेशा ही डिसलाइक करेंगे, कुछ चीज़ें लाइक करेंगे, कुछ चीज़ें डिसलाइक करेंगे, तो ओवरकम कैसे किया जाए?
see, the very first step towards overcoming it, as we just stated at the beginning of the video, is to recognize it. And not just recognize it for the sake of it, but reality checks. Recognize it with the reality that you have. Don't recognize it for the sake that you need to tell your mother or father that, oh, I've recognized one of my things that I don't like. There are so many excuses that can be put up as dislikes. But have reality checks for yourself, which are actually reality oriented. And make self maps for yourself. We always make maps for others, but there's no point plotting for others when you don't know where your own map is. You get lost because you don't find a way to reach your own self. Why do you have to run after others? Have a blueprint of your own self, your strengths, your weakness, your likes, your dislikes, your passions, your dreams. This looks beautiful. Your life map is your success map. Don't run after others. These emotions of envy and jealousy will not come to you. You'll overcome them very nicely.
Interesting. A client had come to me and he was saying that he does not like to meet people.
Okay?
And it's not the fear game. He simply doesn't like to meet many people. And that was so interesting that even in his office, and he said he didn't have any friends because he doesn't like it. So while talking to that person after 3 or 4 sittings, we came to know that the way he was brought up was being a single child, and the parents were working. So he did not have so much of interaction. And once coming from school, he had his tuitions, and he would be, put to bed so that he's, wakes up early in the morning. And because of that, he never interacted so much with any other kids or his peer group. Even in school, somewhere he started avoiding them. And that was where I had to open up by petal to make him feel. Because if he had approached me, so that means something imbalance he was already finding it.
Right.
So then we had to go internalize it, see his upbringing, his childhood, his relationship with his parents and his surroundings, with other relatives and all. And then step by step, we had to make him accept that there are people who he may like also to be with them. So that can be another thing also. It's just not
Very
saying that
beautiful.
okay, dislike है तो मैं बस नहीं करूँगा.
Right.
But कई चीजें होती हैं जो तुम्हें एक socially you cannot avoid, even though you want it. So much wanted. If given a chance, I would not like to go to certain places. But sometimes, if I have to, how do I now behave and conduct myself? Do I make it very obvious that I don't like it? People do that,
Yeah.
and they're so anger oriented
True.
that their disgust becomes so much obvious on their face that it is a disgusting face. So they do not understand that they may have to, being a social animal, once you reach there, I think you should be able to behave and have those social etiquette to be civilized.
Very true.
Right?
Right.
So even though you do not like few things, and that's personal to you, but once you are in face to face with society and the outer and bigger circle, how do you now conduct yourself?
Yes, and it's not just about society, it's about your learnings. If you have all roses in your garden, how do you know? How do you feel when a thorn pricks you? How will you know how you feel if you don't have a thorn? So let these envy, jealous, disgust feelings be those thorns that make you realize that what your roses are and what's worth keeping, what worth working for.
Wow, so beautiful. And create a balance. अगर आपको ऐसी सिचुएशन कभी आ जाए कि वो चीज़ नहीं पसंद है, तो तुम आराम से करेले को थोड़ा पीछे कर सकते हो, then की क्रिएटिंग ह्यूमन क्राई कि ये नहीं पसंद है. सो एक थोड़ा सा एक सिविलाइज्ड वे से आप किस तरह से अपने आप को कंडक्ट करते हो.
Exactly. And करेला भी एक सब्जी है. She's just trying to put it into picture.
So yeah, this is something so interesting. So when we are talking about disgust and dislike, what exactly you think that we have to keep in mind to accept others also when they don't like you. You have a liberty to dislike something. I want to ask you that you know it that this person does not like you. What do you do now? Are we still open,
Okay.
or we start avoiding because he doesn't like us?
Okay, I do 2-3 things here. First is I make sure that my conversations or personal and professional are very limited to the point with that person, because I always feel that some people are energy vampires. They suck the energy out of you. When they don't like you, they just come onto your head and they start taking your energy when you interact with them. So let those energies not affect you. So let those emotions also, which those people bring to you, not affect you. Keep your conversations very to the point, personal or professional.
So वो control भी ना होने दो और ना ही control करो.
Exactly.
Because so many times when you
Right.
don't like something, you start controlling or avoiding so openly, which is not acceptable.
And second, don't bring it on your face. Bring it in your mind. Strengthen your mind how to deal with this situation. Don't bring it on your face and tell the person I don't like you.
And
There's no points doing this. Actually, personally or professionally, sometimes to reach one of your sweethearts, you need to cross a bridge which is almost broken. Okay? So if that person is a broken bridge, just try and jump and reach the star that you want to. Don't get stuck there because that person is not worth it. Don't bring it on your face. अगर struggle शक्ल पे आ गई तो वो struggle किया.
Wow. So friends, आज हमने एक ऐसा इमोशन के बारे में बात की है जो शायद हम दिखा देते हैं, मूड से दिखा देते हैं, अवॉइड कर देते हैं, कॉल नहीं उठाते हैं, कॉल काट देते हैं, और जब सामना होता है तो कहते हैं ओह हम भूल गए, राइट, या मैंने देखा नहीं. हमें ये जो डिसलाइक की जो फीलिंग है, ये हमें झूठ बोलने पे भी मजबूर कर देती है, क्योंकि हम सच का सामना नहीं कर पाते और कह नहीं पाते कि मुझे ये बात अच्छी नहीं लगती, या मुझे ये जिस तरह से आपका बिहेवियर है वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. हमने वो बातें कहीं हम कह नहीं पाते, क्योंकि इसी तरह से हमारे समाज का एक प्रचलन बन चुका है और एक तरीका है कि भाई अच्छा नहीं लगता क्यों बताना है. बट लेकिन हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें नहीं पसंद है, और वो भी ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें कितनी सारी चीज़ें जो पसंद हैं तो उसको जी लेते हैं, और वही जो लंबी लकीर है नापसंद के सामने जो पसंद है उसकी एक लंबी लकीर खींच के ज़िंदगी को बेटर बना सकते हैं, और अपने आप को हर वक्त एक बैलेंस में, एक तराजू में रखिए, जिससे सिविलाइज्ड वे से हम किसी को भी हम जब सामना करें तो सिविलाइज्ड रहे. एंड लेट्स रिस्पेक्ट ऑल, सो दैट if you respect your dislikements, your repulsion, whatever you don't like it, you have to give this liberty to others also to respect what they don't like it. So this is what I feel, Deepika.
Absolutely, because that's how your personal space, your professional space works on this principle, Vibha. If you are intruding on other people's likes, dislikes, trying to control their lives, giving them advice when they don't need it. नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो बुरा नहीं है, ये ऐसा है, वो वैसा है. Let people decide what their likes, dislikes and disgusts are. Let them follow that. Give them enough space. Your work and your personal life really works on this principle. Try it out.
Wow. So let's be less horrible, okay, or accept our distaste or aversions.
Let's be more envious and less jealous.
Okay. And let's try to become who you really admire and get inspired.
Yes, that's a very beautiful thought.
Yeah. So thank you for being with us, and this is something I feel you please share with us what you don't like, what you have disliked over the time, and how did you overcome it, and or if you don't want to overcome it and you want to live with it, but you know it, you recognize it, and if that gives you a hope to live, so be it. but let's not disturb and intrude in others' boundaries. And so have your own likes and dislikes, and know that what you want and what you don't want.
Yes, we'll be waiting.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.